What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee from Busy with Dee, and I am here with another awesome video. No, I'm kidding. I'm here with a video. It's really like a mom video or auntie, whoever. If you're traveling for a long time in the car with kids, this video is for you. So some of you may follow our family channel. It's called Just Right. If you do, then you know that we took a road trip. We were going for about 5 days, I believe. We went through Texas because we're in Texas now. We went through Texas to Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama to Florida, which is where we went to Disney World. But we traveled for about 6 to 8 hours in the car with our 4 and our 8-year-old each day. So I knew going into this was going to be a long road trip. I really don't do road trips. I don't like them. Well, before this trip, I didn't like them. I just felt like you can get there so much quicker if you just fly. But anyways, we decided to do a road trip. It actually turned out really great, and I wanted to share with you guys some things that I did to prepare for it, to prepare our kids for it, so that it went pretty smooth in my opinion. And also I'll insert some clips so you can see us on the road trip. And sorry, I'm holding the camera with my arm because I'm just too lazy to set up the tripod right now. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what some of the things that I picked up, like most of the things I got were just like workbooks and things like that, but other things I highly recommend that you get because we just used them like multiple different ways and it was great. I'm rambling, but anyways, if you're interested in seeing what I did, keep watching. So the very first thing that I want to show you guys is something that you should definitely get if you're going on a road trip with kids. And these trays are from Michael's. They were $6.99 each, and that's a really good price. We use these for eating, for coloring. They set their iPads on them while they watch movies. They slept on them at times. So they're just very helpful. They also have areas on the side where you can put their workbooks, you can put bottled water, you can put crayons, pencils, whatever you need. So these things worked out perfectly, and I'll just show you some pictures here. Okay, so next up, I wanted to get them some coloring books and activity books or workbooks, some things that will keep them entertained other than their iPads. So I went to 3 different stores, and my first stop was Dollar Tree. So I'll show you guys what I got from there, what they used and what they enjoyed and what they really didn't use. So first up from Dollar Tree, they each have these magnetic drawing boards, which are really cheap, but surprisingly, this is one of the things that they really love. Next, I picked up this animal world book for Dalia that she picked out, and she also has stickers for Ninja Turtles to create a scene. I also got Damari the scratch off for Rapunzel. It's just like a lottery ticket, but you scratch away the picture. And a test prep book for Dalia just to keep her doing some schoolwork. And here is Damari's Create a Town, so she will just put the stickers on the paper to create like a scene or a scenario. Next, I have a words book for Damari, so she will just match these stickers with the words for this book. And then she picked out a Paw Patrol coloring book, which is always useful. And Dalia has an animal book, just matching the animal sticker with the words. And Dalia's coloring book, she has a soccer coloring book. So my next stop was Target, and I just picked up a few things for the car as well as for our trip to Disney World. They each got one toy, and this is the toy that Dalia picked out from the dollar spot. I don't even know what it is. She can blow it up, I don't know. But these things I saw on other YouTube videos, and I thought that they would be great, and my kids love them. You just have one marker and you color, and the colors change. It's amazing. I wanted to get one for myself, but they colored the whole entire thing throughout the trip. I also got one for Damari. She has My Little Pony. I also let them pick out autograph books for Disney World. The Moana one was Delia's and Damari has Minnie Mouse. They picked them out themselves. They didn't know that they were autograph books. They actually thought that they were going to be using those in the car, but once I got the Target bag home, I just took the autograph books out and put them in my suitcase, so they forgot all about them. Also, I got them water bottles from Target in the dollar spot for just $1 each, and they use these in the car. They were intended for Disney World as well, but we forgot them in our hotel. This next thing I highly suggest you get. They are reusable stickers. Damari could change the clothes on Minnie and Daisy, and she did that a lot of times in the car, so that really worked out great. I can't remember how much it was, but it was in Target in the dollar spot, and I also got her the My Little Pony one. So you saw Delia's one toy that she could get, and Damari chose to get a Applejack My Little Pony, and this thing got lost at the beach. So if you want to see the full story, I will leave our family channel, the link to that video, in the description box below. And that is not from the dollar spot. That was like on the aisle while we were checking out. So that is it for the stuff that we got from Target. Now, I didn't give them all of this stuff at once. It was kind of for the car, for the hotel, just whenever I felt like they needed something new, that's when I gave it to them. Well, after Target, we went to Michael's, and that is where we picked up the trays and these emoji book coloring books for just $1. Okay, so another thing that we did that was very helpful is that I picked up this clear container with the lid from Walmart, and I filled it with snacks. So this cut down on how many times we had to stop. We only really stopped when we needed to get gas, and then at that point the girls would go use the restroom. That way we didn't get gas and then have to stop again just to take them to the restroom. I kept this underneath Damari's seat since her feet couldn't reach the floor. I kept this under her seat. That way it was available whenever we needed it. Okay, so here's another tip. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you can download the Prime Video app, and on there you can download movies or series onto the iPad, and that way you can watch them when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. So that's what I did for the girls before we left for the trip. I downloaded them each, I think, 2 movies, and then they each had a series, and they picked their own movies and their own shows that they wanted to watch. After you click on it and start watching it, you have 48 hours to finish it, or it will delete after 48 hours and then you have to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-download it. If you guys know any other way we can download movies not through Amazon Prime, please let me know in the comment section below, because the girls wanted some specific movies like Princess and the Frog and something else, but Amazon Prime didn't have it. So if you know any other way we can download movies onto iPads or even phones, drop it down in the comment section below. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Now I left a few little details out that I wanted to add, but the footage got lost, so I'll add that next time, because we are going on another road trip in July. So I'll make sure that video has everything that I wanted to have in it, and it's a little bit more detailed for you. But don't stop watching now. Keep watching to the end. I added some clips of us on our road trip, and if you want to see the full video, I will leave the link to the videos in the description box, and I will take you to our family channel to the full vlogs of us on our road trip. But that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.
To the beach.
To the beach.
Destin, Florida.
Beach.
Y'all excited?
Yeah!
I'm pretty sure I can guarantee this is gonna be the best beach trip of your life.
Yeah. I'm a little afraid of surfing.
You're a little afraid of surfing?
Yeah. I never surfed before. I'm not good yet. I'm scared of the water.
You in swim lessons.
I told her that.
Yeah, glasses on, guys. My glasses on.
Girls are doing some
Oh, wait.
Delia's doing some math word problems, and Damari is doing some handwriting.
Yeah, and then tracing.
She's writing her letter G.
Yeah, Bridal's not the letter G though. Hey guys, you wanna see my amazing go, but don't go long.
Wait. You skip one. You gotta write your G right here.
Wait, Mom, don't go yet.
Don't go.